This video will introduce our recent work, exploring visual engagement signals for representation learning. People post photos on social media platforms to invite engagement and seek connections. A photo of a cute dog can resonate with other dog lovers and trigger reactions such as like or love, or comments including "what an adorable dog." In this project, we call such interactions as visual engagement. We observe that there are several pleasant properties of visual engagement. First, they are widely available online, which is far less expensive to obtain than manual annotations in standard vision tasks. Second, such interactions can contain rich semantic descriptions such as dog or blue eyes. More importantly, visual engagement provides emotional and cultural context that goes beyond the image content they're in. For example, the photo in this slide could be described in the standard captioning task as "a dog sits next to a stuffed animal." Yet how people react to images could be more telling than the content itself. The social media audience of this image, for example, may react to the cuteness of the dog, or they may comment on the torn stuffed animal with some whimsical responses. Motivated by these observations, we argue that visual engagement clues can serve as a supervisory signals for representation learning and transfer well to subjective downstream vision tasks. With the aim of learning representations that capture the relationships between image content and human responses, we introduce a simple yet effective framework, VICE. We propose to predict raw social engagement signals by converting them into a bag-of-word, multi-label, multitask classification task. The figure on the left illustrates the pipeline we use in this work. We learn visual representations by predicting the pseudo-label derived from a set of engagement signals. In this paper, we consider two forms of human responses: comments and reactions. The pseudo-label is the clustered assignment index that is computed by first transforming the raw engagement into a numerical representation. See our paper for the formal description of VICE and other pre-training details. We evaluate VICE for 3 downstream tasks, including sentiment classification, political bias, and hate speech detection. Figure in this slide shows the linear evaluation results for these tasks. Comparing with other methods that only train a visual encoder during pre-training, VICE produce comparable or better results on these tasks over 2 visual backbone choices. Using 250 million data, VICE is able to outperform another pre-training method which trained with 940 million data, which is substantially larger than ours. Comparing with methods that leverage textual information during pre-training, we observe that VICE also offers better or comparable results. This suggests that features learned with visual engagement are more suitable for subjective downstream tasks, since engagement signals provide more emotional and cultural context. Please refer to our paper for the complete experimental results and analysis. We hope that this paper could inspire and facilitate future research that focus on tasks beyond the scope of conventional recognition.